Hello, come in. We got a Donkey Stomper 1000V-HG-2x8. It's actually a 2x8. It's 800V is what I got on it. It's an older build. It's one of my older builds. It's got the fuse on the inside. I only did a couple this way. It's a really nice box though. It's probably about 2.5-year-old maybe, or something, a year or two old, I don't know. Anyway, it's an older build and had a blow pill in it. We fixed it. Show you a little video of it working. Straight through SWR to start with. Radio drive, that's all we're going to drive with, it's 2x8. Worldwide. Look, to input SWR with it turned on. Worldwide. Pretty good build. Output tune, 5-volt reverse. This right here is a prime example. I don't remember where the video is where I built this. But since I tuned my bench and stuff, if you're going to watch the video when I built this, it's the same tune, but look at the reflex, it's nearly nothing. Worldwide, back, that's about what, a half a watt maybe? Yeah, back in the day, them things used to show a watt and a half, but that was because of the bench, it wasn't because of the boxes. I thought that was kind of cool. You know, it used to show a watt and a half, 2 watts reflect, but it's because of the bench. 1000-watt slug, PP. Worldwide, you knew that was going to happen. 2500-watt slug, peak. Worldwide, donkey, worldwide. About 16, 1700. 1000-watt average. Worldwide. Get on down, go down. Right, you see, she's good to go. All repaired. So the little video show you is working. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend and team, 018 Beavis. Catch you later.